The Story of Us, Eagle Pass, Texas, freshman year of high school. I'm standing just inside the doorway, watching Mommy talk to the television screen. As the latest episode of her favorite telenovela unfolds, the soap opera drawing her in, the skins from the potatoes she is peeling drop into her apron like old maple leaves. I wait until she's too busy to notice, eyes, lips, and heart all fixed on the television. Seizing the moment, I tiptoe into Mommy's bedroom and sneak into her closet. Eyes shimmering. I am a ratoncita, a sly little mouse. I reach into her purse, the one that has sat in her closet for years. I know no money hides there. She keeps that in her newer purse, the one she takes everywhere. No, today, I am Eve in the garden, stealing secretos, mining for knowledge, hoping for a taste of the forbidden fruit. A click of the purse's clasp and my hand, novice thief, draws out official documents. A dried-out rubber band snaps, no warning, just a bite that smarts. Folded wings of paper tremble in my hands like frightened doves. My ravenous eyes greedily devour the words inscribed on birth certificates, a marriage license, a Mexican passport. But nothing about the secreto I know she is keeping from us. No new discoveries, no revelations, just a crumpled tissue inside a plastic bag that sighs quietly as I lift it out of Mommy's purse. The tissue blossoms in my palm to reveal a tangled brown mass, wrinkled, leathery, and dry. The length of it held together with a yellowed plastic medical clamp. Startled and repulsed, I drop it. I'm on my knees, trying to pick it up with the tissue without actually having to touch it, when Mommy walks in and catches me in the act. My face burns with shame, and fear grips my limbs. I can't move. But instead of getting mad, Mommy laughs. She helps me stand up and says, "This is probably going to sound strange." Then she takes the shriveled thing in her hands and tells me, "It is her tesoro. It's your umbilical cord, Lupita, a treasure I keep to remind me of the tie that binds us together. You were my first baby, my first love." Hearing her explain it that way, I'm not grossed out by the cord anymore. "What about Poppy?" I asked teasingly. "I thought he was your first love." For a second, I catch that glimpse of that same secret smile I've seen on Mommy's face when Poppy comes up behind her while she's at the kitchen sink, and he starts to sing to her a soft love song, like Pedro Infante. "Well," Mommy says, looking at me now, "that's different." She wraps the cord carefully around the tissue, puts it in the plastic bag, and hands it to me. "This," she says, "is the story of us."